G'day team, Pity checking in with another unboxing. Let's start with go. There we are, this one's really taped up. Sweet. Righto. So we've got the Tripowin headphone cables. So this one is 2 meters, 6.5 feet, dual 3.5. To 3.5. Let's have a look. Sweet. So yeah, your warranty card. Very good. Ziploc bag. Very good. So this one here is in a different kind of braid. You got the end cover. Solid connector. This is a heat shrink. Comes along to the splitter. Wow, this one's actually metal. Looks like it's got plastic on the inside. Then it splits off to the twists again. Yeah, the connectors. Heat shrink. Okay, wow, this one has actually got a blue and a red marking. That's good for your left and right, because the other Tripowin cables I've got don't have that. So this one here is a 4.4, same heat shrink. This is actually different too. So that's more of like a flat finish. And where they terminate TRRRS, there's no marking. Oh yep, there is. Shit, sorry guys. This one here does have a marking. Must have been on the black one. So that's your grey. And that's your 3.5. So you can see there are different weave, different pattern. And then this is the black. So this one here is in the same configuration, all plat. And the black one, its yoke has heat shrink compared to this one, which is much nicer. And the black one's got the different plat as well. Okay, now let's have a look at the second one. So once again, 2 meter, 3.5 mil, 2.5 mil output, yeah, righto. Okay, you got the same card in there. And this one. This one's identical to the other grey one. So to me, that does look like 3.5. Yeah, shit. So this one here may be the 2.5. It is. I don't know. Pretty sure that's 4.4. Because I know this one plugged into the mojo is a 3.5. Yep, okay. So it's 3.5, 4.4. That's all your Tripowin cables. Righto team, have an awesome day.